see them swines. Mankind, hacking so unkind. Almighty all time.
Well, I'm dreaming of a new tomorrow. Hope that history can change its course. Because the path that we chose to follow is filled with darkness, such an evil force.
Now I'm so scared about the future. Man, this road is such a slippery slope. All we need is more peace recruiters, cause only love can bring us home.
These are some serious times. Please put all your weapons down. Mankind is so unkind. The cycle goes round and round. Yeah.
Well, a family, I tell me, said this is not a game. A lot of things we do, me just do it for entertain. But there's a time to die and there's a time to live again. Now it's time to live and spend live and make it rain.
Wrongs we do can't be undone. So let's stand together, one for God and all for one. I know we can hold it down. What we need to do is pray, and we shall see the sun. Let me hear you say, we need a brighter day. We need a brighter day. Yeah. We need a brighter day.
Missy Christian live a life of prayer. Missy little juvenile with a 9 spray. Missy man go prison and no survivor here. Yo, the youth them need a brighter day, right
Shoving
away.
me can't believe how the youth them today are behave. Martin Luther, Marcus Garvey, they must turn in at them grave. Peace and love for unity, you want that we feel brave. Helping next generation and them we feel safe.
Can I yard there? Stop procrastinate. Cause I'm not just fate. If you wait fun to be great, yeah. To elevate, you let go the heavy weight. The world are full of hate. Step out, yeah.
Yo, me talking to the uptown and the inner city. Times get so tough, yo, the times ain't so pretty.
Mama see her son gone down, what a pity. We need to change now, cause the future's so iffy.
The wrongs you do can be undone. So let's stand together, one for all and all for one.
One for all.
I know we can overcome. What we need to do is pray, and we will see the sun. Hear me when I say, we need brighter day. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We need a brighter day. Well, my heart keeps crying, cause I keep trying to understand why the innocent keeps dying. Love run low while hate is high.